Imagine waking up in the life you've always dreamed of. The perfect job, a loving relationship, financial freedom. What if I told you that it's possible to make that dream a reality through quantum jumping? This isn't just a magical concept. Quantum physics supports the idea that we can shift between different realities, and today, we're going to explore how you can harness this power to manifest your dream life. Everything you desire already exists, and a part of you is already living those dreams. This ties directly into Plato's statement: reality is created by the mind. We can change our reality by changing our mind. Stick around, and I'll show you how to harness the power of quantum jumping to make your dream life a reality. Whether you're new to the concept or looking to deepen your understanding, this video will provide you with practical steps and insights to start your journey. Welcome to the Curious Gemini channel. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of quantum jumping, a powerful technique that lets you shift between parallel realities to manifest your dream life. We'll explore the science behind it, practical steps to get started, and advanced methods to enhance your practice. Stick around to transform your reality and achieve your deepest desires. The science behind quantum jumping. Let's break down the science. Quantum physics proves that our consciousness can shift between different realities. Think of reality as a radio. Just like tuning into different stations, you can tune into different versions of your life. Quantum jumping allows you to access alternate or parallel universes with different energy levels to enhance your manifestation abilities. The underlying principle of quantum jumping is based on the idea that there are multiple quantum realities parallel to our universe, each possessing a unique energetic vibration. By tapping into these realities, you can optimize your manifestation capabilities. This is more than just theory. Scientific experiments have shown that particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously, a phenomenon known as superposition. By understanding and utilizing these principles, we can shift our consciousness to align with our desired reality. Have you ever experienced déjà vu or vivid dreams of a different life? These experiences might be glimpses into alternate realities, aligning with the theory of quantum realities. Share your stories in the comments. Your experiences could provide valuable insights for others on this journey. How to quantum jump. Quantum jumping is a technique that uses quantum mechanics and the law of attraction to enhance manifestation. By tapping into multiple quantum realities, each with its own energetic vibration, you can optimize your manifestation abilities. Here's a step-by-step guide to get started. 1. Set your intention. Focus on a specific desire or goal. Clarity is key here. Write down your goal and visualize it in detail. Bullet journaling is a simple but effective method to help make your ideas come true. Writing will help you stay focused and clear on your intention. 2. Visualization. Imagine yourself in a parallel universe where this goal is already achieved. Create a vivid mental picture of this reality. Try to visualize in great detail, but the details that appear exactly as they appear in your mind are perfect. There are no good or bad visualizations. Focus on your intention and let the images emerge. 3. Emotional connection. Feel the emotions associated with this achieved goal. Let these feelings of joy, satisfaction, and gratitude fill you up. Emotions are a very important point. You must connect with the feeling you would have if that desire were already manifested. How would you feel? What would be the emotions and feelings present if it were already done? 4. Meditation. Use deep breathing to calm your mind and enter a relaxed state. This prepares your mind for the jump. Feel connected to the earth and space, protected and guided. Invite your guides or ancestors to guide you through this process. Relax and feel it in every cell of your being. 5. Quantum jump. Visualize yourself stepping into this new reality. Picture a door or a portal that you step through, entering the life where your goal is already a reality. Regular practice of these steps can strengthen your ability to quantum jump and manifest your desires. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel, and the more effective it will become. Let's try a simple exercise. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Visualize your desired reality for the next 30 seconds. Feel the emotions of living that life. This is the first step in quantum jumping. If you found this exercise helpful, let me know in the comments. Your feedback is crucial in helping others understand and practice quantum jumping. Stay with me, because now we will move on to more advanced techniques, and at the end of the video, I will teach you a complete meditation to make real your quantum jump today. Advanced techniques and insights. For those ready to dive deeper, quantum jumping involves more advanced techniques. Here are a few methods to enhance your practice. Meditation. Regular practice helps access higher states of consciousness. Try incorporating guided meditations focused on quantum jumping. Affirmations. Use positive statements during meditation to reinforce your desired reality. Examples include, I am living my dream life. I effortlessly attract my desires, or I let go of all resistance. Letting go of the past. Release any limiting beliefs and focus on your new reality. Holding on to past fears or doubts can hinder your progress. Dr. Amit Goswami, a quantum physicist, introduced the idea of quantum jumping to access alternative realities beyond the physical world. He believes that by aligning our thoughts and desires with the universe's energy, we can elevate our consciousness and unlock our full potential. This concept aligns with ancient Eastern spiritual practices that have been used for centuries to reach deeper levels of consciousness. By practicing these advanced techniques, you can strengthen your ability to quantum jump and make your desired reality more accessible. Remember, the key is consistency and belief in the process. The key to effective quantum jumping is belief. You cannot manifest what you don't believe. Cultivate a positive mindset, reject negative influences, and trust in your ability to create your desired reality. Have you tried quantum jumping before? Share your experiences and any tips you have in the comments. Your insights can inspire and help others on their journey. Now let's dive into this advanced meditation so you can take a quantum leap today. Are you ready? In a comfortable sitting or lying position, keep your back straight and begin to connect with a state of mental peace and relaxation. Close your eyes and breathe deeply. Inhale and exhale as many times as necessary to connect with your mental calm. Connect your base with a red beam of light that connects to the Earth's core, and at the same time, a golden beam of light that connects you to your unique soul star in space. Feel protected and safe, and from this place, invite your guides and ancestors to join you during this process with their guidance and support. From this place, visualize a door, portal, or screen in front of you. The details of this portal do not matter. As it appears to you, it is perfect. In this portal that is right in front of you, you can see the scene where you, your future self, appear. It is the future self that has already manifested its desires just as you dreamed. Visualize yourself in that situation. Visualize people, situations, places. Take a few seconds to visualize this scene in front of you. Now, with the next inhalation, you're going to jump into this portal on 3. Breathe in, 1, 2, and 3. You are in. Visualize yourself being and feeling your future self. Feel its joy, its gratitude. Feel the love and certainty. Take a few seconds to feel everything your future self feels. Beautiful. Little by little, return to your body and your breath, full of gratitude. Thank your guides for their presence. Thank yourself for your courage and availability to be a better version of yourself. And when you are ready, open your eyes. Practice this meditation every day and let go of expectations of results, and you will see the changes in your daily life. Thanks for watching the Curious Gemini channel. If you found this video on quantum jumping helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who might benefit from this powerful technique. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Leave a comment below with your thoughts and experiences. We love hearing from you. Until next time, keep exploring and manifesting your dream life.